Victor Santiago Yokohama. QRT now, thank you, 73, bye-bye.
Ciao Bob, Big Signal, ti avevo mandato uno spot adesso, ti ho trovato al volo, peccato che devi chiudere, accidenti. India Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet, che condizioni oggi in 28, da paura, KK.
Sì, bene, carissimo Walter, ben riascoltato, è qualche tempo che non ti ascolto, arrivi fortissimo, quasi quasi mi ha messo paura. Devo chiudere perché non ci ho ripensato di accendere la stufa quando torna la signora.
Bene, un abbraccione e buon divertimento in radio quando è possibile. Ciao ciao.
Ciao Walter, grazie, 73, buon divertimento in radio, ciao.
Ciao. Allora, allo 10 meter, this is Italy Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet. Now, call CQ and listen anyone, anywhere.
Kilo Queen 4, Echo Whiskey, India.
Yes, okay. Kilo Queen 4, please again.
Roger, Kilo Queen 4, Germany, Echo Whiskey.
Very good. Kilo Queen 4, Germany, Echo Whiskey. You're 5.9 plus, great copy with a simple vertical antenna in the town of San Francis of Assisi. Thank you very much. Have a fun.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, your antenna's working south of Miami, 5.9 plus.
20, now. Picking 20, great copy. Ciao.
Arrivederci.
This is India Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet, from the town of Francis of Assisi. Listen, 10.
Kilo 8, Kilo Charlie India.
Kilo Charlie India, complete your call.
Kilo 8, Kilo Charlie India.
Very good.
5858 here in USA and Michigan. The name is Jeff here.
Okay, Kilo 8, Kilo Charlie India. Very good. Now I try to see you on QRZ.com, but not can you confirm your call sign?
Yes, that is my new vanity call sign I just got today. So QRZ is not updated yet. So look at me up in Kilo Foxtrot 8, Bravo Delta Tango.
Yes, now I have. Kilo Fox 8 at Bravo Tango is readable. Okay, ciao, thank you for the call, have a fun.
Yes, you too.
This is Italy, Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet, from the town of San Francis of Assisi, listen 10.
Papa Uniform 1,
Papa Uniform 4 again.
Papa Uniform 1, Papa Radio Delta.
Okay, Papa Uniform 1, Papa Radio Delta, is that Roger?
Roger.
Okay, now, Federico, un gran placer, 5-9 más, en la ciudad de Francisco de Assisi. Un abraço, 73.
Ok, Roberto, muito bem chegado por aqui pelo Rio de Janeiro, Brasil. 5959, o seu sinal por acá. Ok, Roberto, bons contatos, 73, bye bye.
Roger, per favore, modifica. Soy Walter. Roberto è passato in QRT, Roberto è passato now is QRT. Now I stay on the frequency of Roberto. I'm India Kilo 0, November, Mike Juliet. India Kilo 0, November, Mike Juliet. Roger?
Roger.
Okay, ciao, 73.
Ciao, 73, bye bye.
Roma. Please, Chiarix, one moment. Roma, come again.
Buonasera, 50 watt.
Perfetto. Italia Zulu 0, Oscar, Victor, Whiskey, 50 watts only. Romolo, grazie, thank you from Walter. Italy Kilo 0, November, Mike Juliet. Ciao. Papa Echo Charlie, something, come again. Echo India 2, Romeo, again.
Tango, India 2, Romeo, Echo, Tango.
Okay, Tango India 2, Romeo, Echo Charlie. Now I correct, this is Italy Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet. Tango India 2, Romeo Echo Charlie is correct?
QSL, I hear you 509 from Costa Rica. 73, my friend.
Yes, your name?
Ricardo.
Very good, Ricardo. Thank you. Have a fun. This is Italy Kilo Zero, November, Mexico, Juliet. And the frequency of Roberto is not in now QRT. Roberto is now QRT. This is Italy Kilo Zero, November, Mexico, Juliet, listen 10.
Echo Alpha 7, Juliet Victor Mike.
Echo Alpha 7, Juliet Victor Mike, very strong. 5 and 9 plus from Walter in Assisi. Over.
Okay, thank you very much, Walter. 5-9 for you in south of Spain. My name is Manuel. Thank you very much for the contact.
Roger, Manuel. Thank you. Have a fun. 73. And this is Italy Kilo Zero, November, Mike, Juliet, listen 10. Anyone, anywhere. The station with the Lima in the call sign. Lima in the call sign. The station with Lima only. Lima only, please.
Alpha Foxtrot 4, Lima.
Papa Foxtrot 4, Lima. Is that Roger?
America Foxtrot 4, Lucky Luciano.
Very good, William. Very good. Alpha Foxtrot. America Foxtrot 4, Lima. Now, 5 and 9 plus. Very good. Over.
For 5-9 plus, you sound like the BBC. Real report.
Great. I am using a very, very small antenna. It's a really great condition now on 10 meter. Thank you. Have a fun. 73. This is Italy. Kilo Zero, November, Mike Juliet, not Victor Sierra Yankee, because it's now Robert in QRT. This is India, Kilo Zero, November, Mike Juliet, listen 10. Whiskey and Japan. The station, Whiskey and Japan, call again.
Whiskey 8, Juliet Echo Sierra.
Very good. Whiskey 8, Juliet, Echo Sierra, John. Thank you very much from Walter in the town of Francis of Assisi. Do you copy? Over.
Roger. You're solid 5 and 9 here into Ohio.
Thank you for the 5 9 in Ohio. Have a fun, Manny DX 73, and this is India Kilo Zero, November, Mexico, Juliet, listen 10.
Hotel Lima Zulu, Italy Whiskey Zero, Hotel Lima Zulu.
Ok. Italy Whiskey Zero, Hotel Lima Zulu, vediamo un po'. Roberto, non sono Roberto, sono Walter, India Kilo Zero, November, Mike, Juliet, ad Assisi, Bel 5-9, che serve?
Sì, Walter, buonasera, 5-9 anche per te qui da Pomezia. Infatti avevo visto lo spot dei US Yankee, ero venuto qua per trovare Roberto, che ogni tanto ci sentiamo. Vabbè, ma è uguale, non fa niente, sono anche a te che anche altre volte ci siamo sentiti e fatto questo ogni altre gambe. Ok, dai, ti lascio che ci stanno gli americani che ti cercano. Ciao, Walter.
Ok, sì, infatti, ma chiuso e io ho detto ti tengo la frequenza, però lui poi dopo va a cena e now Roberto in QRT. Mi dispiace perché dico vabbè terrò la frequenza, se ritorna sia il benvenuto. This is India Kilo Zero, November, Mike Juliet, listen 10, anyone, anywhere.
Whiskey 4, Oscar, Kilo Go 4.
Whiskey 4 Oscar only.
Whiskey 4, Oscar, Papa, November.
Very good. Whiskey 4, Oscar, Papa, November. Jerry, you're 5 and 9 in the town of Francis of Assisi, Roger.
Okay, Roger, you are 5-7 into western North Carolina, November, Charlie. Good.
Yes, thank you for North Carolina. Yes, also I am in the town of Roberto. I am Walter. Before, it was another code sign in the same town. I am Walter, Italy Kilo Zero, November, Mike Juliet. Thank you very much for the call. 73, and have a fun.
73, Kilo Bravo.
Kilo Mike 4 Charlie.
Kilo Mike 4 Charlie, is that Roger?
Roger, you're 5-7, 57 in the North Carolina. The name is Ben, Bravo, and Echo November, go ahead.
Yes, Ben, thank you for the 5 and 9. 5 and 7, 5 and 9 here. 5 and 9 on a vertical. Great copy. Ciao, 73, have a fun.
All right,
Kilo Bravo 4 Zulu, please complete your call.
Kilo Golf 4, Echo November Zulu.
Very good. Kilo Golf 4 Echo November Zulu, is that Roger?
That is correct.
Yes, okay, Charles, very good. 5 and 9 in the town of San Francis of Assisi. Thank you for the call. Bye-bye, 73. Thank you from Virginia. Bye-bye. And this is India Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet. Listen anywhere, anywhere.
Kilo Echo 2, Charlie Papa Sierra.
November 2, Charlie Papa, complete your call. November 2, Charlie, something again? Negative. Again, please, the other station.
Papa Yankee 4, India, Mexico.
Very good. Papa Yankee 4, India, Mexico. Brasil. Igor, soy Walter, India Kilo 0, November, Mike 59 con antennina verticale, cambio.
Tá, tu chega aqui muito forte, Walter. Muitas graças. Thank you so much for your report, okay? My name is Igor, as you said. Igor, India, Golf Oscar Romeo. I'm based in southeast of Brazil, okay, Walter? Grazie. Un grande abbraccio, amico. Sempre.
Grazie a te, Igor. Un gran piacere. 73 da Cidade de Francisco de Assisi. This is Italy Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet, listen 10.
Charlie Xilófono 5, Alfa, Juliet Mike.
Ok, Charlie Xilófono 5, Alfa, Juliet Mike, José, Uruguay, ben copiado, 59, come si dice in spagnolo. Ok, cambio.
Ok, pasame el indicativo que yo lo anoté muy bien ahí.
Charlie X-Ray 5 Alfa Juliet Mike, esta es la Italia, Kilo 0, November, México, Juliet. Mi nombre es Walter, Víctor Alfa Lima Tango Economista en la ciudad de Francisco de Assisi. ¿Cuál es él?
Retirame que no puedo dar otra respuesta, por favor. Italia, ¿cuánto?
Sí, estoy en QRZ, sí. Italia, Kilo 0, November, México, Juliet, ¿correcto?
November, México.
Japón, November, México, Japón. Sí, positivo, José. Muchas gracias por el contestado. Un abrazo, 73, al próximo contacto. Quizá Italia, Kilo 0, November, México, Juliet. Listen 10.
Kilowatt Echo 2, Fox Papa.
Very good and very strong. 59++. Kilo Echo 2, Fox Papa, Ronald from Walter, Italy Kilo 0, November, Mike Juliet from the town of San Francis of Assisi, over.
Roger, very good there, Walter. You're running 5.9 plus 5 plus 10. Very nice signal. I'm located about 19 kilometers west of New York City in Saddlebrook, New Jersey. Running Yaesu FTDX 101 MP, about 190 watts to the homebrew Delta Loop beam, over.
Great Delta Loop beam is booming, 15/9, using simple vertical antenna 640 from iGain, very old. Thank you, Ronald. Have a fine and 73 from Assisi.
Okay, all the best. Have yourself a great night. Kilowatt Echo 2 Fox Papa. Ciao.
Ciao, 73. This is Italy Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet, from the town of San Francis of Assisi. Listen 10. Victor Oscar Alpha, complete your call. Okay. Ok, Faustino, Papa Yellow 2, Victor Oscar Alpha, 575557, QSL. Perfetto, ora picco di Sico 7, grazie per il Sico 9, China Cidade di Francisco di Assisi. Ciao, 73 Faustino. This is Italy, Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet. Listen 10, anywhere, anyone.
Kilo 2 Papa.
November 3, November Victor Alpha.
November 3, November, Victor Alpha, very strong. Barry, I am Walter, Victor Alpha Lima Tango Echo Romeo from Assisi, Italy, Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet, QSL.
QSL, Delta. Yeah, we had you, as you can see, back in 2019. It looks like we worked twice on 160. All right, very good. Yeah, you're good, strong 5'9" here in Eastern PA.
Yes, I'm looking. We have a 2 times QSO, but FT8. Now I try only single sideband in audiofonia. Thank you, Barry. It's a great pleasure to hear you again. 73, another fun, many DX.
Okay, take care, 73 and 3 and me.
Ciao, ciao. This is Italy, Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet, listen 10. November something, please try again.
November 3, Sierra Papa.
November 3 and Papa on the final?
Oscar Sierra Papa.
Not sure. Oscar Sierra Papa, is that Roger?
Correct.
Okay, I am correct. Thank you, Donald. You're 5 and 7, but they have a local noise. This is not my problem. Thank you for the call, and have a fun from Italy, Kilo 0, November, Mike Juliet, all the best, and 73.
Thank you very much. You have 5 and 5 here. November 3, Oscar Sierra Papa will be full frequency.
Roger, November 3, Oscar Sierra Papa, thank you again, 73. And this is Italy, Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet, listen anyone, anywhere on 10 meter, over. Kilo 2, Papa, Echo Papa. Very good, 5 and 9. Francis, I am from the town of Francis, over Assisi, QSL.
You're doing a great job here in upstate New York. You're 5 and 9. Sound beautiful. 7-3. Have a great day.
Thank you for the 5 and 9. You're 5 and 7, but readable copy here using simple vertical antenna. Thank you for the call. Ciao, ciao. Have a fun. And this is India, Kilo 0, November, Mexico, Juliet. Listen, 10 meter. Kilo Foxtrot something, Kilo and Foxtrot in the call sign. Try again. Foxtrot Oscar, yes, but please try again. Only Kilo, the Foxtrot Oscar in the call sign. I have a QSB, but I can try to change antenna. Kilo Foxtrot Oscar X-ray again, please. Yes, now with a different antenna, hear you. Kilo, Juliet, the number not sure, and the number again. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 5. Yes, okay, I copy Foxtrot Oscar X-ray, yes. The number. Yes, okay, David. Kilo, Japan, 5, Foxtrot, Oscar X-ray, 9. I got it. 5 and 5, 5 and 7, but I am using a vertical antenna. A great X for me. Roger, Roger, back to you.
I just have a it's a long way for me. This is KJ5
Okay, sometime I lost you because of a QSB. Thank you for the call from Walter, Italy Kilo Zero, November, Mexico Juliet. Ciao ciao, 73.
Italia Uniform 5.
Ok, India Uniform 5, molto bene, avanti per Assisi.
Sì, buonasera Walter, ciao, U5 o MX? Ti ascolto 5-5, il mio nome è Fabio, complimenti Walter, a te.
Complimenti Fabio, no, hai fatto picchi di 9, eh? Picchi di 9, ci sono delle condizioni in 28 strepitose e poco fa anche in 6 metri il Mali arrivava da paura. Grazie Fabio, buona giornata, buon weekend, ciao.
Sì, grazie Walter, Italia Kilo 0, November, Mike, Juliet. Sì, guarda, io sono in orizzontale puntata verso il Sud America, perciò mi rimani francamente di fianco, però ti ascolto perfettamente, il segnale non è altissimo, ma la modulazione è buonissima. Grazie di nuovo Walter, 73, buon sabato e buona domenica, ciao. Ti metto al log.
Sì, anch'io ho messo al log e poi dopo arriva anche su Quereseta e LOTW. Ciao e buoni DX, grazie ancora. Da Assisi, from the town of San Francis of Assisi, this is Italy, Kilo Zero, November, Mexico, Juliet, listen 10.
Kilo Bravo 0, Kilo Quebec 4, Tango Hotel Whiskey.
Okay, Kilo Quebec 4, Tango Quebec Whiskey, and another station, but Dennis, you're picking 5 and 9 plus, great copy. This is India, Kilo Zero, November, Mexico, Juliet. Back to you, Dennis.
Yeah, you're giving me about a 592. What's your QTA?
Yes, the town of San Francis of Assisi, like Alpha, Sierra, India, Sierra India. Yes, sir?
USO. All right, well, I appreciate that. I'm just making sure my radio is working. 73 to you.
Thank you for the call, 73, and have a nice weekend also. Ciao. This is Italy, Kilo Zero, November, Mexico, Juliet. Listen 10.
Papa United Zulu Kilowatt.
Zulu Kilowatt on the call sign?
Papa United 2 Sugar Zulu Kilowatt.
Very good. Papa United 2 Sugar Zulu Kilowatt, Emerson 59, na cidade de Francisco de Assisi. This is Italy Kilo Zero, November, Mike Juliet. Yes, sir?
Over, Walter. Your signal for me, 5 and 9 from very good signal. Okay, my name is Emerson. My city is Taubaté, state of São Paulo, okay? Brazil. My condition transmit vertical antenna. My radio is ZAESO Fox Tango 10GX, okay, com 100 watts. Okay, Walter. Papa United 2, Sierra Zulu Kilo. Italia Kilo Zero, November, Mike Juliet.
Roger. Thank you very much, Emerson. Muchas gracias per il contatto, per informazioni. Io sono con un Tango Sierra 890 e 250 watt, 250 watt, antenna verticale, ma ottime condizioni in 10 metri oggi. Ciao, grazie.
Ciao, grazie mille, buona fortuna Walter,
73, ciao. And this is India Kilo Zero, November, Mexico, Juliet, listen 10.
Kilo Bravo 0, Charlie Whiskey.
Okay, Kilo Bravo 0, Charlie Whiskey, James, is that Roger? Roger, I have a lot of QSB from 5 and 5 to 5 and 7, and I am India Kilo Zero, November, Mexico, Juliet, from the town of San Francis of Assisi. Yes, sir?
QSL, your signal's going up and down, but I got your QSL.
Roger, now my wife is calling. Now stand by for me. QRX for me. Ciao, ciao, and thank you for the call. Have a nice weekend, James. QRX for me, sorry.